Hi guys, maaga tayo today. Ano ba ito? Mirror. Ayan. Medyo nababasa ko naman. So, unboxing muna. So, may task tayo today, guys. Ang task natin today ay i-repair itong sirang MacBook. So, may problem siya. Hindi ako bumiling MacBook. May pinapagawa sa aking MacBook.
Good day for a date.
So, yan.
Not day for a date. Makadandrif yan. Mag-head and shoulders.
Repair ang MacBook with me.
From coming back. So you're up to 100% dandruff.
Hindi ako asensado, no? Pinapa-repair to. Yan, umilaw siya.
It's flavor-loaded bits. Get all 3 best sellers for only $4.99. Order now.
Okay. So, make sure nakapatay. Hindi na natin bubuksan yan hanggang mamaya. Ang diskarte dito. So, yung laptop ko nga rin, wala na pass ng expiration. Madali lang i-activate yan. So, ito. Zero asensado pero paldo sa DSLR attachment. Saan? Anong DSLR attachment? So, ito lang yan, no? Nanonood lang tayo ng video. How much ba yun? Ano naman tutorial. Hindi mamagana ako mag-repair akong screen. Check muna natin ito yung galing. Mag-search ka lang ng pang-crack ng ano. Maraming crack sa net. Meron ako pang ano, kaso MacBook. Pang Apple. Sideline check. Hindi kasi, papakita ko sa inyo. Yung isa kong laptop, yung MacBook Pro. Search kita sa IG. Sige. Yung isa ko kasing MacBook Pro, ito yung LCD niya originally. Ito, ang ganda pa ng pagkakapak, no? Pakita natin. So, yan, ito, unboxing tayo. Tingnan natin. Ito lang siya.
The next step is to go ahead and remove the
Hindi kaya ito na damage, guys.
The 2 black screws. The other one is holding down the
So, used siya.
LCD board. So this is the LCD board.
Tingnan niyo mga guys, this.
So the 2 screw right in the center is the one that's holding down the LCD board.
So, gumagana siya. So, ang problema nito, una ko nakita, guys. Wala yung bracket nito. Ito matigas yung ano. Nasa baba na kayo. Rico! On the way po. Nakakaano ba kayo?
Is somewhat glued adhesive onto the bracket. Usually in the past few other models, they can just remove the
Sabi mo na natin.
but this one is slightly difficult, so meaning that you need to put a little bit pressure to remove the Wi-Fi antenna. Now when it comes to the 2 Wi-Fi cable here, straight up, because the Wi-Fi connector is just pretty much a circle.
Sabi niya T5
The one
to
on the
T5.
bottom on the keyboard, I mean, the motherboard is smaller, the one on the top is bigger. They just sit on top of each other, so you just simply lift it straight up. That's all you need to do. I'm still working on the Wi-Fi antenna. Looks like the one on the left is loose. Let's go to the
Lalagyan natin na.
just need to get underneath a little bit using a plastic point tool and put some pressure to pry it
T5 ba to? T4? T5 eh.
New Great Taste White. Mas creamy, mas makapal. Like namin. Like namin.
Pentalobe pala, buisit. Sorry.
New Great Taste White.
Pentalobe pala. Paglabas ng MacBook, Pentalobe. Sorry. Yung star. Mali. Sorry.
At this point here, you can definitely see that the side here are your left and right speaker, the entire middle center with your battery. This is the trackpad or the touchpad. The CPU M1 chip is covered underneath this plastic here, and that is the battery connector. So let's go ahead and remove the battery.
Guys, comment kayo. Ang technique dito, kailangan tandaan nyo kung nasan yung mga screw. Hello? Yung mga screw, kakaiba siya. Iba yung itsura niya.
So I'm using a plastic here and trying to flip open the metal latch here.
MacBook repair. Hello.
What I'm trying to do,
Ayun na makita nyo, iba-iba yung
flip it up.
maliliit. Nag-repair ako MacBook.
Okay, there you go. So this little metal latch, it's space gray, and I'll be doing a screen replacement. Alright, so the first thing we need to have is definitely a Pentalobe P5. So
Ayun o,
we'll
P5.
be removing all the screws here in the back.
Kailangan dito yung
Right into the back cover. So let's go ahead and start removing the screws. The screws are not all the same in size.
ayun nga, hindi daw siya same in sizes.
To make sure not mix and match the screw, or you'll be having some difficulties to put them back together. So the very top screws here are much longer, and then the two screws here on the side.
Ang ganda daw ng corner. Nakita mo ang kalat, di ba?
And here comes the one here at the very bottom.
Ano tinatanggal?
Alright, once you have removed all the screws,
Kasi nakatanggal na.
the next step is to go ahead and get yourself a metal prying tool. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to pry open the back cover here. Just a tiny little gap that I can insert into. Alright, and what I'm going to do is going to pop
So, una nating tatanggalin, dapat battery. Ito yung battery, alam ko eh.
And once it's been popped open, then you can just remove the entire middle center with your battery.
So, ito yung battery guys. Ito part na to.
Battery.
Ayun yung itsura ng MacBook. Ayan. Pag nakabukas na. So, ito yung battery. Ito yung battery connector. Kailangan natin ito matanggal. Ano pwede patanggal? Straw.
So I'm using a plastic here.
Yan ang plastic. Ito ang tubig.
Flip open the metal latch here. That's
Commercial
what I'm
disclosure.
trying to do. Just flip it up.
Oo nga pala, bawal sabihin. Mansanas.
This little metal latch is the connector that secures the battery. When you push it down, it closes. When you lift it up, and the thing is open. Once it's open, now you can just disconnect the battery. Okay?
Meron na si Kote na re.
So what we're trying to do is make sure that the battery is disconnected before we can replace the screen. Alright, so the next step is to go ahead and get yourself a T4 screwdriver.
Wait lang, nasa T4 ka na. Nandito pa ako sa battery.
This opportunity and let you know that if you're not sure where to buy the replacement screen from, this is the replacement screen that I'm talking about. I'll link that in the down description below. Go check out the description down below. There's the link
Aray
direct
ko, wag muna. Teka lang.
pay for this replacement part, as well as the tools that you will need. I'll link them down below. Alright, T4, we are removing the screws. Here, I like to say that it is good for you to take a picture of your computer, take a snapshot of it, and then print out the piece of paper. And once you have the piece of paper printed out, as you remove the screw, you have to put it on top of the piece.
Wait lang, oh. Kumalma ka. Wait lang, kumalma ka.
Alright, so the next step is
Tanggal ko na yung battery,
to
guys.
T4
Hi sa 3,000 viewers natin.
using the tool T4. I just like to take this opportunity and let you know that if you're not sure where to buy the replacement screen from, this is the replacement screen that I'm talking about. I'll link that in the down description below. Go check out the description.
So, ang tatanggalin, ito muna.
T4.
T4.
To say that
T5 to eh.
it's good for you to take a picture of your computer, take a snapshot of it, and then print
Oh,
out the
T5.
piece of paper. And once you have the piece of paper printed out, as you remove the screw, you can put it on top of the piece of paper, so you know that screw belongs to which component later on when you put it back together. Apple uses a lot of different screws here, so you can get
Hi guys, share the live thing, yo.
Alright, so that is being said. I'm still using it for 4. Removing the 2 screws here. That is to remove the bracket. And the bracket is the one that's covering the LCD cable. So that
Ito yung LCD cable niya sinasabi. Alam mo lang.
just like Lego, the snap-on,
Ito yan.
remove the surface later.
So, tatanggalin natin yan. Tanggalin natin ito. So, T4. Sheesh, nasa na siya. Lag siya. Ang ganda ni Julia Barreto, oh my god. May alam kang bilihan ng PC.
Still using
Wala
the
eh. Hindi kasi ako
4.
nag-computer.
Screw.
I mean, hindi ako
The
nag-Windows.
screw is going to be Wi-Fi.
Pasensya ka na.
Alright, the next step is to go ahead and remove the 2 screws here. The 2 black screws, they are the one is holding down the LCD board. So this is the LCD board. Right, so the 2 screw right in the
Pwede
center
pansikwat
is
dito.
the one that's holding down the LCD board.
Ito. Ay, aray ko! Sikwat. So, ito sisikwatin din yan. Paano natin ito sisikwatin? Paano yung sikwat?
This is going to take a little bit patient because I believe that the Wi-Fi antenna is somewhat glued or adhesive onto the bracket. Usually in the past few other models, they can just remove very simply, but this one is slightly difficult, so meaning that you need to put a little bit pressure to remove the Wi-Fi antenna. Now when it comes to the 2 Wi-Fi cable here, what you want to do is just lift it straight up because the Wi-Fi connector is just pretty much a circle. The one at the bottom on the keyboard and on the motherboard is smaller, the one on the top is bigger. They just sit on top of each other, so you just simply lift it straight up. That's all you need to do. And I'm still working on the Wi-Fi antenna. Looks like the one on the left is loose. Let's work on the right here. I just need to get underneath a little bit using a plastic point too and put some pressure to pry it open.
So, kailangan tanggalin dito. Sorry. Yan, tanggalin na lang.
Okay, well, that's pretty much it. So what happened is that this adhesive right here is somewhat glue onto the Wi-Fi antenna. It is okay if you put some pressure to pry it open. And right here in the center, where you can see that little metal here, that piece of the bracket is somewhat, kind of tape or glue into this metal bracket here. So that's the only thing that you need to remove. Once that thing is done, we're going to jump right into the next step, which is the T8
Hi Box.
This is a Coke T8.
Okay, nakachat ko lang ako, no? Tapos ngayon, nag-repair na ako ng MacBook.
Both sides.
Mga pinagkakaabalahan ko talaga sa buhay. Mga
LCD hinge, you need to remove the entire LCD assembly. So remove the three screws on each side of it using a T8 screwdriver.
So, ito yung Wi-Fi antenna.
Alright.
Hi sir, kamusta po
Here,
sa rin?
what you want to do.
Okay naman. At naman binuksan mo MacBook? Hindi ko binuksan, hindi ko MacBook to. Nagpapa-repair sa akin.
Does that one sound good?
May ako na siyo. Oh, thanks.
You can just slide
So, ito yung Wi-Fi assembly. Ito yung Wi-Fi antenna niya.
the laptop. So it might be more than 90 degree angle, almost all the way to
Ito lang madali siyang tanggalin.
You can just slide it right off.
Kasi yung sa MacBook Pro, mahirap tanggalin.
The original screen is removed. And
So, ito, sabi ko kanina, itong isang assembly, wala siya nung, hi Jay. Wala siya nitong cover.
All the way to the back.
Nakikita niyo ba ito? Walang cover. Ito may cover siya. Yung sa mismong MacBook, may cover siya.
If you
Yung
want,
dito sa replacement
some of
natin,
the new
Ayan,
screen
wala
does
siyang
not
cover.
come with the bracket. So if
So,
you
lilipat
see
natin yung covers
the new
muna.
screen does not have this two metal
Transfer
pieces of
natin.
bracket that holding down the connector. You may want to transfer from the original screen over to the new screen. But for my
Ayun yung
case,
sinasabi niya ba?
my new screen comes with it, so I'm just going to leave it.
So, ito, T4 at, subukan natin yung T4.
Alright,
Guys.
so here comes
Pag sinabi kasi yung T4, ibig sabihin,
is make sure
ano siya?
the
Basta may sizes yan eh.
is sitting above, on top the laptop. Okay, not underneath. This thing has to go above the laptop. And push the hinge all the way back. And now you're going to slide it in. So I like to slide it in one side at a time.
So, ito yung sinasabi natin. Ito yun, yung
You
cover.
also slide one side in. Come back here.
Ay, alam mo ba,
Make
sir,
sure
lumabas
one
mga
side is
tinuro.
slide. So I'm just holding it down on one hand. The second hand, what I'm going to do is get myself.
Hindi nyo kasi ako pinakinggan.
I'll be putting the screw
Kasi hindi kasi ako ginawang coach.
into the hinge and tighten up the LCD
Okay,
screen so that I can close the screen and work on it. Alright, so let's work on the other side here. Just close up the thing and double check to make sure the cable is free and sitting above the laptop.
Ang liit ng mga ano.
Alright, so once I have closed the screen
Nuggets
down,
nga namin.
continue
Haba lang talaga. Hindi kasi worth it eh, no?
screws. If you are still following along the video so far, then more likely you are already halfway through it. And yeah, just keep watching the video and I'm sure you can fix the screen with the screen by yourself. Alright? Just take a moment here.
Wait ko, ang hirap ayusin. Oh my God.
This video is helpful to you.
Buti na meron ako nitong
Can smash the like
Iwagan
button.
tweezers, guys.
If you haven't
Yes.
subscribed to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. Definitely helps me and motivate me to make more of this sort of video for you. Okay? So smash the like button, click the like button, subscribe to the channel.
Mas grabe pa naman ako.
Alright, so at this point what I'm doing is I just stick true in between the Wi-Fi antenna with the LCD board. So you stick it through it, and now you're just going to press it down because we have peeled off of the adhesive, so nothing is going to stay because of that reason, so you just have to press it down hard enough. But this
So, nalipat na natin yung isa, lilipat pa natin ulit yung isa. Sir, sino yan? Bakit kilala si Miss Mom? Hindi ko nga din alam eh.
So there are 4 screws, 2 on each side of it.
Kasi hindi kayo gumagamit ng tunay yung pangalan sa TikTok. Grabe yung pasma ko. Makakapasa kaya ako sa marksmanship pag ganito.
Alright, so the last screw here goes back in. Now the next step is to fold the LCD board. This is the LCD board. Fold it backwards and make sure you can see on top the Wi-Fi antenna. Don't forget the 2 tiny black screw. They're supposed to go back in to secure the LCD board.
Okay, so nalipat na natin. Okay na, nalipat ko na yung covers. Yan, may cover na siya. May cover na. So, lipat natin na yung LCD assembly na. So, set aside muna siya. Gitna natin to. Kasi ito tatanggalin na natin. Ang sukat niyan, hindi ko alam kung ano ang sukat niya. 1T6. Medyo matigas.
Fasten the screw.
Matigas talaga yung hinge ng MacBook. Ay, ng bookmark. Sorry.
Alright, once you've done the process, now here you want to pay very close attention to it. The Wi-Fi connector, like I said, they're kind of like Lego.
Try natin to, ibukas
Two
natin.
circles supposed to be sitting on top of each other. So the most important thing is the alignment, right? Make sure you align them in position. You're not supposed to force it down. All you have to do is gently push it down and it should close it in by itself very easily. So the important key right here is to position that.
So yan, natanggal na natin. Tanggal na. Sana successful na to. Lipat natin ito. So ito ang problema nito, masyado siya matigas. So yung gagawin natin, pubura natin siya. Tanggalin natin yung tape nito.
You can just tap it in and it will secure by itself. Okay, if you feel like you're forcing it down, do not do that. Because once you bend the circle, the connector, and you will have a lot of difficult to make it back to how it was before. Alright, so last but not least, you see that little clipper right here. That
So ito shoot natin siya.
little clipper, so make sure it's open. Push the battery back in. And then close it with the clipper.
Make sure maingat lang kasi baka maipit yung mga card cables.
If you don't have to finger nail, you just use the plastic pine tool. Push it down and then it fasten that clipper. Now the next step is to remove the back cover.
Tape pa.
Press it in, right in the center, that's where the clippers are. And get yourself an interlock Q5 and fasten that screw. Alright? Now, in order to turn the computer back on, what you need to do is definitely get yourself the charger. You need to plug in the charger and turn the computer back on. Sometimes you have to do that, but I would say just do what the right way to do it. Even though your it was not charged because we disconnected the battery for such a long time. The computer went thing, I can't turn it on unless you put the charger into it. So plug it in, turn it on, and hopefully you have the correct screen, a better display. Okay? And yeah, so
Okay, let's continue. So, let's shoot na natin. Okay, medyo tayo guys. So, ang gagawin dito, screw mo muna yung isang hinge. Itong gitna siguro. Para hopefully ay maisarado siya. So, papantayin natin siya makapantay naman. So, before natin ibalik mga bagay-bagay, shoot muna natin ito. So, babalik na natin yung Wi-Fi assembly. Ito yung Wi-Fi antenna. Nag-clip na dito. So, balik na natin yung hinges. Guys, wala na nanonood. Bakit hindi na kayo nanonood? Papatugtog na tayo. Relapse na. Dami mo naman ganun. Yes, sorry. MacBook repairist din today for today's video. Akyat. Kailangan ko ng kakwentuhan. Rain, akyat. Kaya mo makyat? Babad mo sa bigas. Hindi ito na basa. Nagre-repair ako ng laptop. Okay, malapit na tayo. Nanonood ka ba, Rain? Mali yung kanta. Di na babalik, tas nanonood yung ex. Umakit ka na kasi makipagkintuhan kakadalang. Natatawa ako, Baisit. Ayusin mo nga rin laptop ko. Sige, umakit ka muna. Laptop mo o buhay mo? Sarap. Umakyat ka na, magpakita ka. Saan na nga ba to? Nanonood ka pa ba? Uy, sa nanay ko yun. Oo. Ito na, i-repair na natin. Para kung maayos na natin ngayon, hatid ko na kagad pabalik. Nabal. Sa bahay ba kayo? T4. From teacher to technician. Talaga. Kailangan kasi sabi nila pag teacher marami ka daw dapat alam. Di ba? Thank you. Ingat lagi. Rain, huwag kang makinig sa kanta. Malay mo naman, di ba? So, try nating i-open. The moment of truth.
So flavorful, so sarap. Sulit busog, 99 pesos lang.
Ito na, the moment of truth, guys. Maandar siya! Okay, successful, guys. Successful. Guys, i-share nyo naman yung live. Successful yung pag-repair natin ng LCD. Umaandar siya. Umaandar na. Ihahatid ko na to sa nanay mo ngayon din. Okay, success. Okay, tumatanggap na po ako ng laptop repair services. So, tatakpan natin siya. But before anything else, linisin muna natin ng very light. Yan yung aking mahiwagang brush. Dali, gawin mo yung akin. Ano ba ang problema ng laptop mo? Umakit ka muna kasi. Umakit ka na. Bababa na ako nito. Sandali lang, umakit ka na. Yan. Magpakita ka. Loading. Ganda niya. Oh. Bakit? Anong problema ng laptop mo? Paano kaya magbukas?
Hindi ko din alam kung bakit, pero ayaw niya magbukas.
Eh, patingin ako. Nasaan ka ba na sa bahay?
Wala.
Nasaan ka na? Sa galaan ka na naman?
Kila Lola.
At nasa bahay pa yung laptop. Ito, isan mo sa akin. Pakita mo.
Sige. Nag-open siya, pero...
Alam ko hindi nagbubukas.
Sa yung video.
Anong video isasend mo?
Yung video ng laptop.
Ay, yun lang.
Ay! Ay!
Yung yung kung ba ako ano yung sira ng laptop kasama doon. Hindi, ano ba iniisip mo?
Yung ng laptop.
Kaya ano ba iniisip mo?
Oo, yung video.
Oo, yun. Tama, yun.
Diba? Tama, yun.
Aray ko.
Hindi nakikita dyan si Bonsi.
Nakikita.
Hindi na siya nag-chat.
Bakit pa siya mag-chat? Gusto mo nag-chat siya?
Oo.
Ayan, sige. Makikita pa, marinig ng taong bayan.
Hindi naman nila alam kung sino si Bonsi.
Kilala nila.
Kilala nila, pero hindi nila alam kung sinong Bonsi.
Kilala nga nila, nag-iisa lang na may konsi namin dito.
Ha?
Nag-iisa lang konsi namin na.
Sa buong bayan nila ng konsehal dito?
Oh, pero nag-iisa lang yung bata doon.
O hindi yun. Wala yung matanda. Sugar daddy.
Ay, pentalog nga pala to, sorry.
Ano?
Hindi yung screw, mali yung napasok ko.
Okay.
Bakit?
Wala.
So tayo magpakita sa live, ilang live viewers ko.
Ayoko. Iyan mo na sila dyan.
Uy, si Ash. Hi, Ash. Kamusta? Alam mo yung title nito?
Hindi.
Ito.
Anong DJI?
Mabasa mo ba? Ano ang DJI?
Yun nasa gilid.
Ito?
No. Yun nasa isa sa gilid. Yan.
Ano, gimbal ng phone gimbal. Wala nang laman yan.
360 ba? Nasa iyo pa?
Wala na, pero yung box, ito pa.
Yung 360, nasa na?
Wala, binenta ko na.
Oh.
Bakit?
Yung drone nasa iyo pa?
Oo, pero bumagsak siya 4 na beses kanina.
Ayan, tanong mo.
Hindi. Kasi nag-ano kami, gumagawa ng project yung mga bata. Parang micro-satellite, ganun. So, yung testing niya, kailangan ine-elevate, di ba? So, pinalipad yung drone. Hindi kaya ng drone kasi maliit siya. So, mga lang yung inangat niya, parang 2 meters lang. Tapos, dahil sobrang bigat niya, hindi siya sanay sa ganung payload. Hindi niya makontrol yung pagbaba niya.
Meters lang yung inangat niya?
Oo, kasi mabigat yung payload eh.
Gamit mo yun sa labas?
Pag solo niya na wala siyang daladalang ibang bagay, kasi kinabitan siya ng ng something. Yung ina-experiment ng mga bata.
Babagsak talaga.
Okay na. I'm so proud of myself.
Si Owen.
Hindi ka ba proud sa akin?
Pag-isipan ko, ay, speaking of proud, Bob, I'm proud.
Na?
Nasa ka? Nakita ko.
Tinignan mo ba?
Oo, kanina ko lang nakita.
So yun, physical ko next week.
Nagbukas ng Facebook.
Physical ko next week.
Ha?
Physical fitness test.
Wala ka na namang daw. Bihira ang nakakabasa.
Eh, 1,300 yun eh.
Ano mo lang? Sayang, wala na siya. Hindi siya sa IC.
Sa Villamor ako
Oh, sa Villamor. Sa ano kasi siya dati? Sa Sangki. Eh, wala naman na rin sa Sangki. Saka wala na rin naman doon.
Tsaka, napakasusungit ng mga tao doon.
Sa Villamor? Hindi naman.
Sobra doon sa HR, ha? Oo, lahat ng HR ganun talaga.
Eh, kasi may mga nakalala ko taga Villamor gawa niya. Pero hindi naman.
Mababait yung ibang sundalo, pero yung taga-HR, grabe. Napakasusungit. Kala mo, registrar sa BPS.
Sayang. Kasi sabi niya sa akin nun, kapag daw, meron kasi dati na isang dati hindi niya alam na nag-exam. Exam. Eh,
Tapos?
Kaya naman daw na naman ang masasala kasi
Baka naman pwede akong gawa ng paraan.
wala na nga kami communication. Dahil sa'yo.
Ayun na, ikwento mo nga bakit.
Basta dahil sa'yo.
Ikwento mo ng bakit. Para bago ako bumaba.
Ay, hindi mo.
Asa-
Wala naman ang lahat. Meron nanonood na isa.
Asan ka ba sa August 12?
Wow. Anong araw?
Tuesday ata.
Just cool.
LPU Cavite?
Oo.
Layo kasi. Nasa Pasay lang naman ako.
12.
Kasi iniisip ko baka...
Hindi ako pupunta nung Manila ng
Ayun nga. Baka kasi maaga ako matapos. Eh, absent na rin naman ako nun. Susulitin ko na sana.